Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are serious about protecting your home or business, you need a system that delivers clarity, intelligence, and reliability around the clock. Introducing the Reolink 8MP 4K Ultra High Definition 8-channel PoE NVR security kit with 4 dome cameras and a massive 2TB built-in hard drive designed to give you smarter, sharper, and more secure surveillance from day one. This system captures in 8MP ultra high definition 4K resolution, that is 4 times the detail of standard 1080 pixel, from faces to license plates, logos, or the smallest details. Everything is rendered with stunning clarity so you never miss what matters. The cameras are built tough with an IP66 waterproof rating, so whether it is rain, snow, or scorching heat, you get year-round protection indoors or outdoors. Each dome camera also features a 97 degrees wide viewing angle, ensuring excellent coverage with fewer blind spots. Nighttime security is where Reolink shines, with powerful color night vision reaching up to 98 feet or 30 meters. You will see every detail clearly, even in complete darkness. Add to that the built-in spotlight, which not only illuminates your property but also acts as a powerful deterrent to unwanted visitors. But this isn't just about video, it is about intelligence. With advanced AI-powered detection, the system can distinguish between people, vehicles, and even animals. That means no more false alarms from shadows, trees, or pets. Only smart, relevant notifications delivered instantly to your phone via the Reolink app. And because these cameras features two-way audio, you don't just watch, you interact, speak directly through your smartphone to visitors, delivery drivers, or even deter suspicious activity in real time. Setup is fast and seamless due to PoE technology, with a single network cable carrying both power and video up to 330 feet. Installation is simple and reliable, making this system perfect for both beginners and DIY security enthusiasts. Your footage is securely stored on the pre-installed 2TB hard drive with support for expansion up to an incredible 12TB total. Choose 24/7 continuous recording or event-triggered captures. Either way, you will have weeks, even months of footage stored safely with no monthly fees. And with smart playback, you can filter recordings by detection type and jump straight to the moment you are looking for. Controlling your system is easy. The Reolink smartphone app gives you full access anytime, anywhere. View live streams, replay events, manage settings, download and share footage, and even draw detection zones to focus only on what matters. It is also fully compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa smart displays, letting you monitor your security hands-free. In the box, you will find everything you need: an 8-channel NVR with 2TB HDD, 4 8MP 4K dome cameras, network cables, power adapter, HDMI cable, USB mouse, waterproof lids, mounting templates, surveillance stickers, screws, and a quick start guide, a complete kit that is ready to go straight out of the box. And to top it off, Reolink backed this system with a 2-year warranty and dedicated support, giving you extra peace of mind. So who is this system for? It is perfect for home owners who want crystal clear, intelligent monitoring, business owners protecting premises and staff, and anyone who values smart detection, two-way communication, and reliable round-the-clock recording. Whether you are updating your old CCTV or investing in security for the first time, the Reolink 8MP 4K Dome kit is built to deliver performance and peace of mind. Take the next step in securing what matters most. Click the link now to check it out on our Amazon storefront and experience the power of true 4K AI security today. This security system deserves your attention.